Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how can you make your Discord name nothing. So for that you have to open a web browser first, then you have to type 1 CBC Unicode, copy paste. So open the first link and copy this link. Copy this text I mean. After that open Discord and click on user settings, then under username here click on edit and paste that code multiple times, then type your password, then click on done. So as you can see here only my number is showing, so let's check here. As you can see here there is no name showing, only the code is showing. So that's how you can make your Discord name nothing. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.